Welcome to Righteous Soul TV. Thank you. Righteous Soul TV is helping from birth to die. Or righteous souls, birth from parents, bring up by parents, and marrying, and bring from the righteous soul living destination of children of righteous souls, and getting old and to die. This is orbit. It's righteous soul living orbit. Trying to help that is a righteous soul never ever get out of the orbit, just like orbit to moon travelings. If out of orbit then is travel vehicles run out from the road, then is eternity long disappeared. The same as in the life, in the all human beings, just living orbit on the righteous soul living orbits, so that is righteous souls of human beings from the birth to die, from righteous soul living destination place to start the voyages, arrival to the righteous soul living destination places, so that a righteous soul voyage is 360 degrees. It's macro concept, all of understanding voyage is 180 degrees, from birth to die. Righteous souls believing that, micro concept world 180 degrees, macro concept world 180 degrees. So plus macro and micro and righteous soul livings 360 degrees voyages. So that righteous soul livings living 50% of micro concept world, unseen world, or 50% of seen world of macro concept world. So the righteous soul livings 100% livings. But if do not living as way of righteous souls, just like wicked soul is mind bodies, wicked soul is easy living, and mind living is getting much more than others with body. So the macro concepts body focus, macro concepts living actors, voyages from birth to dies 180 degree, only macro concept livings, so that just mind levels and wicked soul level livings are only 50% of livings. Okay, we based on this just righteous TV's purposes, we communication between me and you. Righteous soul livings is cosmos rules, nature rules, cosmos rules. Cosmos is that is a righteous soul birth to the in the seen world, then is cosmos occupied a macro concept peoples. Then occupied macro concept peoples make out the cosmos. Cosmos spaces length a macro concept of this person, human beings. So that cosmos watchings or macro concepts or bodies livings, how to livings. It is very important. Cosmos watch so that all the macro concept in the cosmos behaviors, then the righteous, wicked behaviors, all controls. If a person's righteous living ways and righteous in the cosmos health, and then righteous living energy, and the creation of knowledge also. But as the macro concept living actors, wicked soul living way, then cosmos give a penalty, minus increasing. This is a kind of a curse. Do not know it, persons sometimes lie, sometimes not right. This is just a momentum passing. True or not, because cosmos is all the macro concept of living actors, length, time and space from cosmos. So cosmos is host. All the living actors guest. So the host of cosmos try to want to be livings, the lodgings, the guests, to be silence, clear of creation of knowledge ways. Originally, the cosmos is silence, clears. People appear a person of just livings. It is very important. Cosmos watching us is from nothing to something. Cosmos is nothing. So cosmos wanted to, in the something living's behaviors, nothing. As that, cosmos watching the something living in silence and clean of creation of knowledge ways, then we have a very excitement and pleasures. 일체. Cosmos and me is the same. In this case is righteous souls. Righteous soul is from righteous soul living destined places. Start to from righteous arrival to righteous soul living destined places. So that the voyage, righteous living voyages, unseen to the cosmos, silence, clean, clear of creation of knowledge of righteous souls, unseen to the cosmos. That unseen to the cosmos voyage line is 0000000 lines. 00000 is silence, clean, clear creation of knowledge. But if out of a voyage 000 to the 000 to nothing, out of nothing to something, then a person loudly and dirty, wicked souls, trying to easy living, mind living, trying getting much more than others for the purpose of body. In this case, cosmos see the out of orbit. Out of orbit, out of the orbit behavior is evaluated by the cosmos. 00000 is from righteous soul living destined place to be a macro concept to righteous soul living destined arrival. This voyage, orbit, must be safer. It is kind of same as connected to righteous living destination to righteous living destination places. Beginning with the voyages, arrival voyages connected by orbit 00000. 000 is nothing. But all persons out of 00000 out then something in this place is impossible to the righteous living destination place arrivals. This only way from righteous living in destination place to arrival to righteous living in destination place, the orbit is 00000 lines, nothing lines. Nothing line is cosmos. Cosmos and righteous soul is same. This nothing line. In nothing line is right self soul living destination of starting point connected to right righteous soul line to arrival place. So that connecting bridge, this is orbit is also righteous souls. So that in the macro concept world, a person, righteous soul living person is just based on the road to the road. Road is very important in the Oriental philosophies. Tao. So that these roads, based on these roads, based on these orbits, then correctly arrival to righteous living destination place. You know that start righteous living destination place, arrival righteous living destination place, this is righteous soul is do not die. Never ever dies. Living alive. What is that? Nothing is do not die. Something, body and wicked soul and minds, out of orbit of righteous soul, voyage orbit, then all of out of lost of the way to the righteous soul living destined place, the orbit, then something. This something to be seen by cosmos. Cosmos feel annoyed, anger from a person's, out of a loudness of a person's noise and loud soul, shouting, hard saying what is. So cosmos feeling is very synthesized, very sympathies, out of a loading, out of a voyage, orbit to righteous souls. The voyage, orbit is connected to round 306 degrees. This is very important. We are just Righteous Soul TV. Righteous Soul TV trying to help from righteous soul to righteous souls, safely and enoughly, and help from the cosmos. So we will help righteous soul voyage. Thank you very much.